Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I would like to show you latest updates on our rule engine. I'm showcasing a workspace with lots of air quality monitors, and we are going to use our rule engine for a couple of monitoring actions. So in our rule engine, right now there's no rule. You can create a new rule by clicking on the blue button, and this opens up a new module which allows you to select a couple of predefined templates for the rules. We have different kinds of options here to get you started real easily with the rule engine, like templates for device go offline, online. Just something that I'm going to show here. Click on that. This predefines the rule. You can filter. One of the things that you see here is different is that the filter for selecting devices has changed. Before it was just purely linked to a product. The new rule engine also now works with single devices way better than before. If you just create a rule from the template, the rule applies to every device in this workspace. You can filter by the product that we have in the rule in the workspace. You can filter by individual devices, or you can even filter by the text that you have. But for online offline notification, we simply want to have it enabled for all devices, so we leave everything like it is. The whole view is stripped down, very limited, because we just want device goes offline notification. If you want to see all the other triggers, click on this. And then you can send an action, email action, next. You can define the custom body and also use the template variables for replacing of names of the actual device that's gone online or offline. And last but not least, we have the new time restrictions. So you can use custom schedules for notifying people based on the actions that you define. Let's go back into the rule engine once more. I haven't saved this rule, but let's create a new one. And there's a couple of more templates here. As mentioned, online offline template, but also the new measurement recorder. Let's go to this one here. As you've seen, we have 51 devices in that workspace, and we simply just want to create one separate or one rule to monitor the temperature of all of those devices, or for a specific room or floor or whatever. So we want to assign this rule now to the product because all of the 51 devices belong to that product. What we could do also is that we could filter the devices belonging to that product based on the tags. I have tags or groups for basement, cafeteria, conference rooms, and so on. Right now, I don't want any filter, so we leave it to all devices belonging to that product. You can see these are the devices that the rule applies to. And now we are selecting the trigger that has been predefined, new measurement. Optionally, you can define also the temperature as a field so that it should just listen to the temperature. If not, the rule will be triggered on every message upload from the sensor. Now let's go into conditions, define temperature. This is what we want to monitor. The current value, average value, the changes, minimum and maximum, if a value is above a certain value, at least for half an hour, for example. If the temperature is greater than constant number value 22, for example, we can send an SMS or email that the value is too high. Add condition and then the action, email, SMS, webhook, as simple as shown before. Last but not least, I want to show you a use case for the new rule engine that can be used to schedule downlinks for controlling heating valves, for example, like in this workspace where we have lots of smart heating valves. And let's go into the rule engine. What we can do here is we can create a new rule. And then you can select different kinds of types. We have device dependent scheduler and system scheduler. Right now, what we want to use is the device dependent scheduler because we want to have a scheduler for all of these devices. We click on this, and this says apply this rule to every device in this workspace or filter by product. Now we want to filter by product because all of the devices belong to the MyClimate Wiki product here. Update product filter. Again, you can also filter or group using tags. And you can see these are all of the devices that belong to that product. So now we can define a time-based schedule, a specific time, Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. in the morning, and then an action, single device downlink, not multi-device downlink because we send it to the triggering device, which is all of the devices. And then, for example, set to 22 degrees, add new action, and now you created a scheduler for all of the devices in that workspace belonging to that product. So again, just one rule to control them all. That's all you need to do. Yeah, and that's it. That's an update on the latest features of the rule engine. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.